Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see another cloud project, Coders Battleroom using cloud computing. This paper explores how cloud technology, especially serverless computing, revolutionizes competitive programming. Instead of traditional local coding contest, it introduces a cloud-powered platform where coders worldwide can compete, collaborate, and discuss problem solving in real time. It leverages services like AWS Lambda for scalability, on demand computing, and seamless collaboration, making coding contests more efficient and globally accessible. So, we have the major four modules: admin, staff, candidate, and cloud. So, basically, the flow is, let's imagine there is an online platform where they are conducting online coding or logical competition. The admins will create the contest and assign a staff for it, and the contest creation notification will be sent to the student and staff. The staff will create a question for the contest and will upload it. The certain candidate will be able to take the contest for only one time, and they will get a space for coding there. They can give their answer there and will upload the answers. And also the staff will check the answers and categorize the results. Also, the results will be shown to both admins and candidates. So now let's dive into the practical part. So basically this is our landing page and its subsections. And the footer part. So firstly let's log into the admin login using the credentials. So I'm registering a staff firstly. So the staff has been registered successfully. So I'm logging in as a staff using the credentials. So I can see the contest notifications here and upload question section and evaluate question section. So let's register a candidate as well. Have successfully registered, and let me log into this. So we have the contest notification section here also, and a content section and result section. So firstly let's create a contest. Before that we can see the staff details as well as the student details under the admin dashboard. So now let's create a contest. So I mentioned here it as a So I'm assigning the staff. So notification has been sent. Here I can check the notifications. So as you could see, we will be getting the notification. And now after the staff saw the notification, they will be uploading the questions. So let the question name be like and we can set the expiry time. So I'm giving the expiry time as like about 4:28, and let me choose the file. So I'm uploading the question. So the file has been uploaded successfully. So now the candidate also will see the notification and the contest will be available to them. So I'm giving us solve this question. So as you could see, there is a space where we could give the answers. So I'm providing the answer and submitting as the solution. So as you could see, we have already done the exam, so we can't take this again. And so I'm going back, and in the result section we will be seeing as this message, evaluation in progress. So the staff will be evaluating the answers. So after seeing the question, they will give us the results, either pass or fail. So after the staff have given, we can check it through the result section of the students or the candidates. So as you could see, the result has been changed to pass. Now the admin also will be able to see the results as pass. So you will get a question where we are using the cloud here. So basically we are uploading the questions and getting the answers back, right? So using that, we are using the AWS S3 bucket for storing those details, and for the metadata and all, we are using the MySQL database. So firstly we are using the React.js for the front end and Java Spring Boot for the back end, and database as MySQL for metadata and some other data as well. And for the files storage and all, we will be using the AWS S3 bucket. So we can log out from these. So yeah, hope you like this video. Thank you.